The 10 News Weather Authority, always watching and tracking for you from the JES Weather Center.
Hello, everyone. Our next system is sitting pretty far off towards our northwest right now. There's been some snowfall around Lake Michigan and the states around it. That's got some showers as it gets further to the south and runs into warmer air. And that system will track further towards the southeast, causing the activity that we've got tomorrow. Now, we had a cold front come through earlier on. That brought through showers, and then we had a little bit of that on the backside. We're even still seeing pieces of that right now with a little bit of wind to go with it. That's going to clear off towards the east as well before our next system develops. It carries over from Indiana and Michigan, joining up with some moisture from the south to turn into showers for most of us, but some snow in the NRV and on our western slopes in West Virginia. A lot of our temperatures tonight are staying pretty steady because there's so much moisture from the front that came through earlier on. Most of us are in the upper 30s, some lows even staying around 40 degrees. But then that cloud cover is going to stick around, and we have that next system coming through, and that's going to limit how much we can warm. We do get into the upper 40s for a couple hours. I think even in Roanoke we'll get up towards 50 and then stay in the 40s as we get through the evening. For a closer look at that system on the future tracker, first let's look at what's happening right now. Little pieces of sprinkles move on pretty quickly. We stay pretty dry through most of the morning, might be some more sprinkles here and there, but it really takes until about 11 a.m. for that system to develop more. In the NRV, we start to see it first, then it spreads further towards the east. I would say there's quite a bit more green than blue in our region, so more showers than snowfall. I think in parts of the NRV and even into the highlands, some of that's going to be coming down as sleet, so falling as ice, melting a little bit because of some warm air here and there, and then refreezing with colder temperatures towards the ground. But either way, it's just not going to be nice to be outside on Saturday. Once we get to the evening, there's still a little bit left over. It's dry out in the NRV and the highlands at that point, but it has to move south to 460. By about midnight is when we're really starting to dry out. Once we do, we stay pretty calm and dry into Sunday with lots of sunshine there before some extra showers come early next week. Wind-wise, we don't have much to deal with on Saturday or Sunday, so that at least puts one kind of plus in the column for Saturday's weather. But again, one of those reasons why Sunday is looking a lot nicer. Monday's also going to stay pretty calm. I don't think we've got too much wind next week until we get pretty late on with another cold front headed our direction. Through Monday, Tuesday, and even Wednesday, we're able to add some heat before our next system comes through. There's some moisture with it, so we could get showers Monday and Tuesday, and then this cold front comes through. Because of its strength, we could get some rumbles of thunder. The severe chance stays outside of our region, but kind of keep an eye on what kind of rainfall we could expect with that one. After it comes through, we are going to cool down, but there's still some moisture left over, so we could still get some showers towards the end of the week. It's going to be pretty soggy consistently. I don't think it's going to get us back towards average for the monthly rainfall, but it's going to make it a less than pleasant week to be outside for the most part. Tonight we come back down to around 40 degrees for most of our lows, and then we're able to warm up only a little bit on Saturday because of all those clouds. Roanoke's stuck at 51, but able to get into the mid-50s on Sunday with the extra sunshine. On the extended forecast, we warm up even more as that next system heads our way. Wednesday will be into the mid-60s. I think we'll even have some upper 60s. I wouldn't be shocked to see a 70. And then after that, where we could get some rumbles of thunder, we'll be back to the 40s by the end of the week.